My name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite another person to your YouTube channel and give them a manager role on your channel. So once you're logged into your YouTube channel, up here in the upper right-hand corner, click on this icon, and then go into YouTube Studio. Then in the left-hand column here, click on Settings, click on Permissions, and then up here in the upper right-hand corner is an Invite button. Click on that. Enter in the email address of the person that you want to make a manager, and then use the pull down here, and you can select what type of access you want them to have. In my case, I want them to be a manager, so I'll select manager. And it says here, you are responsible for the actions of people you give channel access to. Channel access includes private videos and playlists. Invitations will be sent by email and expire within 30 days. All right, so then just click on Done, and then that user got added right here, and under role, it says that they're going to be a manager. They haven't accepted the invitation yet. It still says pending. So that's how quick and easy it is to invite somebody to your YouTube channel and give them a manager role. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.